We would like to acknowledge po the presence of our back chairman po from Zoom, Doc Leandro Paul Flores po. Good morning po, Doc.
Good morning po.
And also back member Ma'am Alma P. Gamboa po. Good morning po, Ma'am. Ma'am Clarissa Faye Corpus po. Good morning po, Ma'am. Ma'am Christine Joy Eding po. Good morning po. And for our back secretariat, we have Ma'am Shirley Lu Bais po. Ma'am Pauline De La Cruz. And yours truly po, Mr. Jomex Sabonada. For our prospective bidder, once I call your name, please state your name po and the name of your company. Ma'am Eunice. Thank you po. Ma'am Jeneline. Okay, Ma'am Zairil po. Sir John Adrian.
Adrian po, son of Expert.
Sir Jacob Anton.
Jacob from Durban.
And Sir Ronald. What's his name? Ronald? Is it Ronald? Okay. Ma'am Rayceline. Sir Eugene. Or Ma'am Isabel po. Thank you. Ma'am Irish. Natawag po ba lahat? Okay. Now, our prospective bidders po from Zoom. And we would like to request everyone po to change their name. Name of the company underscore then name of the representative po. From BSB Bioscience po, please introduce your name po.
Good morning, Jai Mercania from BSB.
Okay, from Ambika po, please introduce yourself po. Jackie, we weren't able to hear you po. Can you please repeat what you said? Inaudible po kayo, ma'am. Okay. Okay, from Banzan Pharma po.
Good morning po, Roshan Faro from Banzan Pharma.
From Bellius Life po.
Good morning, this is from Belus Life, Frank De Vera. Gandang umaga.
Curasave Pharma po.
Good morning, this is Bern po from Curasave Pharma.
Elevasi Medical Group po. Sorry, hindi po namin kayo narinig. Elevasi Medical Group.
Yes, hello, good morning. This is Bea Cecilia from Elbasi.
Inaudible pa rin po kayo. Genesis Pharma po. Goodfellow Pharma Corp.
Hello po, good morning. Marjorie po from Goodfellow Pharma. Thank you.
Thank you. Izens?
Good morning, CK po from iSense Medical Inc.
Lakeside po?
Hello po, good morning. This is Iris from Lakeside Pharmaceuticals.
Surgeon Lester Morales, from what company po kayo?
Good morning po. Sir Bocals from Qualifers.
Okay. Sir, pa-edit na lang po sana ng name. Palagay po yung company name tsaka yung name niyo po.
Sige po.
JRR Kev GMN Partners Incorporated.
Good morning po. This is Gwen po from JRR Kev JMN Partners Inc. po.
Metro Drug po.
Good morning. This is Danny Obero from Metatron. Thank you.
MS Camford po.
Good morning po. Kenneth from MS Farm Work.
Natra Farm.
Good morning po. Norin Kibin po from Natra Farm Inc. Thank you.
Onicare.
Morning po, Randy Cos from Onicare Pharma Trading and General Merchandise po. Thank you po.
Okay. And sino po si Oppo A53? Please change your name to company name and your name po. Hindi response. Oxford Distribution po.
Good morning po, Ali Enriquez po from Oxford Distribution Inc. Thank you po.
Pharma Nutria.
Hello, good morning. From Pharma Nutria, April Maestrado po. Thank you.
Pharmastar International.
Good morning po. Diane Clemente from Pharmastar International Trading Corporation po.
Philcare Pharma.
Good morning po, Chris from Philcare Pharma.
Southside Biomedical po.
Good morning po. Ludilin Ramil po from Southside.
Troika Pharma.
Good morning. This is Cheryl Ann Baniked from Troika Pharma. Thank you.
JRR Partners po. Wala yatang mic si JRR Partners. Meron po bang hindi na-mention?
Hi sir, good morning from IDS Medical System Philippines. Roger Tipase po.
Thank you po. Anyone else po? Si Oppo A53 po, please introduce yourself po.
Roger Tipase po from
Ayun,
IDS.
Okay. Thank you po. Doc Flores, can we acknowledge po the quorum? Si Qualifers daw po pala hindi natin na-mention. Please introduce yourself po.
Hello po, good morning. Lester Bocals from Qualifers Health Inc.
Good morning po, Doc Flores. Hello po, Doc. Good morning po, Doctores. Currently po pala nasa meeting yung chairman natin kaya hindi siya naka-attend pero as soon as matapos po yung meeting niya baka po humabol siya dito. Currently online siya, we're just waiting for him to respond po to acknowledge the quorum po, ma'am. I think we have new participants po from our Zoom. Mr. Mon Perez, can you please introduce yourself po? Your name and your company po. How about Saidus Ana Polinario? May you please introduce yourself and your company po?
Sir, in behalf of Telemon Perez, sir, it's from Belus Life, like me. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Good morning. I'm Anna Pinaro from Zai.
Hello.
Good morning po,
Hello.
Doc Flores.
Yes po.
Can we already acknowledge the quorum po?
We have the quorum naman, ano?
Yes po,
Three
Doc. We
members
have
and
Ma'am Alma here.
chair. Okay.
Dan na po ako, Ana Apolinario.
Okay, so since the quorum has already been acknowledged by our back chairman, Doc Flores, we can now continue with our private conference. So today is December 5, 2025. This is a private conference for EPA year 2026 po. For private conference, this is to discuss among other things the eligibility requirements and the technical and financial component of the contract to be bid. Attendance of the bidder shall not be mandatory. However, it's advisable na umattend kayo so that if you have any questions or clarifications, maklarify po agad natin. Any statement made at the private conference shall not modify the terms of the bidding documents unless such statement is specifically identified in writing as an amendment thereto and issue as a supplemental bid bulletin. So anything that we said here po, it can be for clarification, however, it's not binding. Unless otherwise, mag-letter po tayo and it will be reflected po sa sa bid bulletin po. Agenda for today, list of procurement project, timeline, schedule of activities, checklist of eligibility requirements, templates, the forms, marking and sealing of bids, payment, cost of bidding documents, list of item and specifications po. So our project for today, supply and delivery of drugs and medicine with the PIN number 2025-11-035 po. Can we edit that? Okay. 11-035 po with approved budget of 117,599,716 pesos and 6 centavos po. The deadline of submission of bids is December 18, which is up until 9 a.m. Opening of bids is December 18 as well, starts at 9:01 a.m. po. Next. So this is the timeline schedule of activities. The PIN has been posted November 27 po. Yung issuance of bid documents is from November 27 up until December 18, 8 a.m. to 8:40 a.m. po. Private conference is on December 5 today. Deadline of submission, which is the opening, is on December 18 po. Next. This is the checklist of eligibility. This will also be given to you once you buy yung bid documents po natin. Go. Templates and forms. Next. Okay, for the checklists of eligibility po, we're expecting na magiging present po yung ating PhilJobs registration. 3 pages po to. This is the form for the all ongoing contracts. This is for the SLCC. The bid securing declaration form po. These forms will also be given po once you purchase the bid documents. The technical specification po. Omnibus warrant statement po. The bid form for the financial documents. Price schedule po. This is for within the Philippines. Next is for international or abroad po. Okay, we have to be careful po about this sealing and marking of bids po because it can be a grounds for disqualification po depending on the back. So as you can see, we will have a mother envelope po which is yung nasa baba po. Yung mother envelope, dapat sa loob ng mother envelope, una dapat properly sealed and marked po ang ating mother envelope. Sa loob po, we're expecting 2 envelopes, yung technical and yung financial po. Sa loob po ng technical component, we're expecting to see 3 copies po doon, yung original, copy 1 and copy 2. Sa financial naman po, we're also expecting 3 copies, yung original, copy 1 and copy 2 po. It should be properly labeled po. We will also show you yung markings po and label. Okay. Also, yung forms and yung markings and biddings, it will be sent to you once you purchase po yung bidding documents. Ito po yung sealing and marking. Be careful about the chairman po. May mga suppliers po kasi tayo na nagkakamali nung nilalagay na pangalan. For this specific pin po, ang ating chairman is si Doc Leandro Paul B. Flores. Company name, phone number, and very important po na tama yung email address natin. Because any information that we need to relay, any updates that we will ask you, it will be sent po via email address po. So we have to be very careful about the spelling. And yung title nung project and the PIN number po. Kasi pag nagkamali po tayo ng PIN number, ibang project na po yun. So you have to be very careful about that. Then yung nasa baba, yung do not open before December 18, 2025 at 9:01 a.m. po. Okay, now the color coding for the envelope, yung mother envelope, technical, and financial po. It's violet po, violet. Okay, as what I mentioned earlier, mahalaga yung marking and sealing. Any unsealed or marked bid envelopes will be rejected. Properly sealed and marked envelopes will be accepted po. Now, for purchasing bidding documents po, these are the steps. Step 1, letter of intent. For the letter of intent, it's important na nakastate din yung name of company, project name, PIN number, items to be bid, the total amount, and address to the back chairperson, which is Doc Flores po. Step 2, which is payment, cash basis only po. Ayun po ang advice sa atin ng accounting, dapat cash basis po. So accounting, then cashier. Then step 3, babalik po kayo sa procurement para ipakita po sa amin yung resibo. And then we will send po agad yung bidding documents once you show us the receipt po. Next. Notice to the supplier, office hours, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. lang po. Payment for bid documents, submission of bid documents, except on specified time of the deadline of submission po, which is yung 18, na hanggang 9 lang po siya. Close po tayo pag Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays. However, kapag may mga suspension po, meron po tayong may officer of the day po tayo. So during suspension, announced by the ILG or Office of the President, open pa rin po tayo. Pwede pa rin po tayo mag-submit at bumili po ng bid docs. Please ensure you provide the correct email address and contact number for all transaction po. Kasi doon kami nagko-contact po sa inyo if there's any updates that we need to submit. This is the cost of the bidding documents. Okay. Okay. Now, when it comes to bid bulletin or supplemental, request for clarification on any part of the bidding documents or for an interpretation must be in writing and submitted to the back of the procuring entity at least 10 calendar days before the deadline set, which is the 8th, tama, Monday? Pero through email naman, di ba? Sige. Pero as early as possible po, kung may mga concerns kayo, may mga MR kayo, i-submit nyo na po sana. Huwag na natin hintayin yung deadline. Kung may mga concern kayo as early as today, send nyo na po agad para makapag-respond po agad kami. Ang final checking po ng bid bulletin natin is 7 calendar days before the deadline, which is the 11th po. Yun ang final posting namin ng bid bulletin po. For purpose of clarifying and modifying any provision of the bidding documents, bid bulletins may be issued upon procuring entity initiative at least 7 calendar days before the deadline for the submission of receipt of bids. Any modification to the bidding documents shall be identified as an amendment po. Next. Now, notice all supplier, please be informed that the acceptance of delivery is from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. only. MMS is closed during holidays and random schedule of disinfection. You need to notify them via this email address 3 days prior to delivery po. Next. Ito po. Ito po yung hospital order natin regarding sa delivery of goods. Ito po yung time schedule. For supplies and goods, Thursdays po. Okay. For supplies goods, 7 calendar days. Ayun lang. Yung equipment, hindi naman eh. Okay. Next po. Liquidated damage po. For the late delivery, short delivery, and canceled. Ayan po siya. Next. Okay. Presentation mo. Yan. Presentation of items to bid po. And I believe na kita na naman natin to sa posting sa PhilJobs, no, yung mga items natin. So, wait, i-ano lang natin. Pwede bang i-maximize natin ng konti para mabasa? Okay, ito po yung mga items natin. Do you have any questions po sa item number 1? From the Zoom po, may questions po ba? For your method lang po, Sir Danny, anong specific form po yung kailangan natin? Ay.
Dahil Roberto Beto, kanina ako nasabi, yung forms na ano sa screen, talagang nakita yung
Hindi siya visible.
okay lang.
Okay. Let's go back daw sa mga forms. Yung sa ongoing and SLCC naman po, wala naman po siyang changes dun sa ginagamit natin before.
Yung sa ongoing po, may natatanong.
Hindi na attachment, pero during the post, kapag nirequest natin, mag-request naman.
Tapos po, sa voices po, NDPA na po kayo gagawin na.
Oo, NDPA na.
NDPA na.
Okay, thank you, sir. So let's go back to the items to be bid po. 1 to how many items yan? Yan, slide mo na. Ang dami. So sa mga supplier na prospective bidders po natin, I believe na check na po to sa PhilJeps. Okay. 1 to 453 po. Do you have any questions po? Yes po. 268. Okay, thank you po. For line item number 1 to 10 po, do you have any question po from our Zoom po? Yeah, go. Hindi ko mabasa. This slide po, may question po kayo?
Yes, sir. Okay lang, sir. Medyo malayo pa po dyan. Item number 131.
Later na po, sir. Sa 1 to 10 po muna tayo. Balikan po natin.
Sige, sir. Thank you po.
May isa pa pong question mula sa MS Pamport, katulad ng question ni Sir Danny. Do you require attachment for the ongoing po? Tulad po ng answer ni Ma'am Alma kanina, hindi na po need. Pero sa post-qualification po, once you are asked by the back, you need to submit it po right away. So going back to 1 to 10, may question pa po? Wala na? Ano yan? Sino yan? Line item. Okay. Ang biga po, nag-ask kung line item po ito. Yes po, naka-line item po ito. Now, 11 to 20 po. Do you have any question? Si Belgis, walang question yan, no? Naka-raise lang. May question po from Oxford, ma'am. Clarify ko lang, sir, 25% of the total ABC of items to bid ang basis ng SLCC po. Yes daw po, 25% daw po. So, items number 11 to 20, wala pong question?
Ay, sir, follow up lang po sa regarding sa 25% sa SLCC.
Yes,
Pwede
po.
po ba, sir, 25% with aggregate?
From Ma'am Alma po, yes daw po, pwede daw po.
Thank you po, sir.
You're welcome, sir. Balik tayo sa line item 11 to 20, wala pong question. 21 to 30 po. May question po ba? Okay, now 31 to 40 po. May question po ba tayo? Ayun, what's that? Ano? From Pharmastar po. Sir, may question po. 25% of total ABC bidded items po. Yes daw po. Okay. Any more question po? Same lang. From Elevacy Medical Group, if GMP po is expired, can we submit yung renewal? Also, ina-accept po PTR as GMP?
Kailangan valid siya. Hindi pwede expired.
Okay. Ma'am, narinig niyo po ba yung answer? On its face daw, kailangan daw po valid siya. Dapat hindi po siya expired.
Sa CJMP po, kung expired siya, pwede naman pong COD. So CJMP and pero mas maganda po, meron pong CJMP. Pero kung expired po, dapat hindi po namin na ano yung renewal, kailangan po hindi talaga siya expired. Present po is hindi expired.
Additional po from her po. Advance dropping po ng bid docs allowed po ba?
Advance dropping po. Advance dropping, you mean ano po? Magsasubmit ka po ahead ng deadline?
Yes po, ma'am.
Yes po, pwede naman po. Basta December 18, 9:01. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. sorry po. December 18, 9 a.m. ang deadline po.
Noted po, salamat.
From Ambika po, additional po kay Ma'am Bea, may proof of renewal pwede po.
Sorry mama, hindi po namin i-allow. Dapat valid po si CJMP.
Now from Ambika po, upon submission po ba yung GMP? Apostille GMP po ba acceptable? Thank you. GMP po. Upon submission po ba yung GMP? Apostille GMP po ba acceptable? Can you show yung message dyan sa ano?
So, kung upon submission hindi siya expired. May po. Tama namin. We are talking na po about CJ, post-quadox, ma'am, no? Ano naman po yun? Sa post ko naman po itong mga CJMP and all. So pag na-notice, nabigyan po kayo ng notice of lowest, diyan na po lalabas si CJMP eh. So oo. Hindi pa naman po siya, during opening of bids.
Clarification ng method. Yung confirm lang po if during the opening window, pwede din muna namin isama sa docs yung mga CPR and BP. Kung ano yung hinihingi sa POSWA. So kung ano yung text na.
Opo, okay na naman po.
Noted po.
Pero yun na po, hindi po siya dapat expired or mag-attach kayo ng, kasi na-notice namin upon nagpo-post po kami itong mga last preview supplemental, halos lahat po ang sinubmit si JMP ay renewal. So, hindi na po, ano na lang, existing po dapat siya, hindi pa expired. No, valid po. Okay lang po yan kahit expired. Basta ang sinubmit po ay valid na CJMP. Either of the two naman po, CJMP or COT, Certificate of Distributorship.
From Curasave po. Hello po, ask ko lang. Saan na? Kung nag-accept po kayo ng guarantee letter for near expiry product. Thank you.
Near expiry, ilang months po? 18, depende kasi sa movement po ng gamot ni drugs po yun. If fast moving po siya sa pharmacy, we can accept it. Pero yung pull out po, 3 to 6 months, mga ganun po yung ina-allow po namin. Pero sa ano pa naman yan, ma'am? Pag na-award na po sa inyo. Bidding pa naman po ito.
Si Ma'am Gwen naman po, follow-up question regarding SLCC, 50%. Nag-aalaw po ba sila na mag-aggregate, which is nasagot na kanina?
25% po and allowed naman po aggregate po.
Curasave po, also ano po approved shelf life ng product na need may deliver?
18 months above po.
Pharmastar, can we opt to attach the documents under Annex A of PhilJEP certificate, ma'am?
Yes po, yung sa Annex A po.
Now from Oxford po, yung criterion daw po, LCB pa din ba for award?
Yes po, yes po. Yung sa LCRB po.
Any more question before we move on po? From this side po, may questions po ba kayo? Number 41 to 50 na tayo, no? Tama ba? Okay, for items number 41 to 50, do you have any questions po? Wala dyan. Okay, now 51 to 60 po. Items 51 to 60. Any question? Now 61 to 70 po. Any question? 71 to 80. Mukhang wala tayong question. 81 to 90 po. Okay. 91 to 100. Okay, 101 to 110. Any question po? Okay, 111 po to 120. I believe for the next item, may question na po. 121 to 130. May nag-ask po kanina. Yan. Okay, values live. 131. Wala pong question sa 121 to 130 po? Okay. Now 131 item. Can we
Yes, sir.
offer bigger tube? Okay.
Sige po. Good morning, sir. From Belus Life, Frank De Vera. For item number 131, ang nakalagay po sa specifications is 3 grams where we would like to offer 20 grams po collapsible tube. Acceptable po ba? It's 17 grams more. 17 grams bigger.
Hello po. Nasa formulary naman po si 20 grams. As long as yung price, sir, mababago po ba? Kasi
Opo,
DTRI price na po.
yes po, pasok po sa ABC. Pipilitin
Okay.
po namin
Okay po. So, we can, naman po, through bid bulletin, sir.
Thank you
We will
po.
post it na lang po through bid bulletin po.
Thank you, thank you.
Ano po, item 100, 15 boxes,
15?
150.
115.
Pwede po ba? Kasi 100 milliliters prior to. Flavor ko, meron kasi yung 200 grams battery. 200 milligrams per 110. Same po ba siya? 100 milligrams.
Number 81 daw po. Wala pong question, sir. Wala, pinicturean lang daw. Okay, 141 tayo to 150. By the way, while checking on this, don't forget to put it into writing yung mga questions po natin and send po dito sa back para po masagot po natin ng end user natin and back po.
Questions nyo, and if grant po, we will post it naman po through bid bulletin po.
Item number 41 to 150. Any question po? Okay. Number 151 to 160. Okay, no question. 161 to 170 po. From our online participants po, may questions po ba kayo? 171 to 180. Okay. Now, 181 to 190 po.
Hello po from Belus Life, number 182. We're going to offer 5 grams po. Okay lang po.
Okay po for the 5.
Okay daw po for the 5 grams. Any more
Thank you
question
po.
Okay, now from 191 to 200 po. Any question? Okay, 201 po to 210. May questions po tayo. Now for 211 to 220 po. Do we have any question po? Okay, 221 to 230. Questions po?
Hello po sa Belus Life ulit. Item number 222. We're going to offer for 15 grams kung okay lang.
Sir, sorry, si 15 grams, upon checking po sa formulary, not included po siya eh. 5 grams and 10 grams po ang included po natin. So we cannot
Sige
allow
po, noted.
10 grams. Okay
Maraming
po.
salamat po.
Okay po.
Okay, for number 31 po to 240 po. Any question po? Okay, now 241 to 250. May mga questions po tayo dito. $251 to 260 po. $261 to 270. Do we have any question po? 268.
Upon checking po sa formulary, vial po ang... Opo. Okay po.
Any more questions po? 271 to 280 po. From our online participants po. 271 to 280. Do you have any question po? 281 to 290 po. $281 to 290 po. Any question po? Okay, 291 to 300. May mga questions po ba tayo? From our online participants, may question po kayo? 301 to 310 po. $311 po to 320. No question. 321 to 330. $331 to 340 po. Okay, no question. 341 to 350. So no question po. 351 to 360. Okay, sa Lakeside po, regarding SLCC, for the SLCC, is a consignment project considered as a similar contract? How about a contract with private institution that is not a hospital? Lakeside po.
Hello po. About the consignment projects, we'll clarify it po from the GPPB po. And then we'll get back to you na lang. Apo. And siguro Ma'am Lara of Lakeside, send na lang din po kayo ng letter regarding this para documented din po.
Okay po, thank you po. Just to confirm lang po, will the letter be sent via email po?
Yes po, yes po. Address po sa aming back chair po.
Okay po, thank you po.
Thank you.
Ma'am Lara, make sure na lang po na we can submit the letter as early as possible. Hindi po dapat siya lumagpas sa final date ng bid bulletin po.
Okay po, noted po.
Okay, now for item 361 to 370 po, any question?
Morning, sir, from Belus Life. Last na. Item number 366.
Yes po.
We would like to offer ampule po. Since existing na po siya sa DJN sa Jose Rodriguez po.
Okay po. Appeal or bayad po.
Sige, salamat po.
Okay po.
Any more question po for 361 to 370? Now let's move on to 371 to 380 po. Wala naman. So 381 to 390 po. Do you have any question po? Uh, 391 to 400 po. Any question? Okay, 401 to 410. Okay, 411 po to 420. So no question, 421 po to 430. $431 to 440. Okay, now for 441 po, i-453 na po natin. Any question po? No question from this end po.
Malayo na kasi. Sa product side, number 105 kasi. 500 milligrams by the same as naka-post. Meron kasi kami 1 gram. Ever po, baka kayanin po. 1 gram po yung offer na. 105 po.
105. Sir, from what company po? Sorry.
Sir, sorry, upon checking po sa PNF, 500 ml, 500 milligram vial plus 2 ml diluent lang po yung included po. Okay po.
Okay. We also have questions po from Lakeside po, Ma'am Iris. Will the delivery of the item be staggered or will it be delivered in full?
Meron po kaming delivery agreement na nire-release pag nabigyan na po kami ng PO. Apo. Tapos, sasendal na lang po si supplier po pag ganun. Kung wala na pong tanong, may remind lang din po kami. Kung okay po. Yung experience po kasi namin last time, may mga nagsisend po sa amin ng sample pag nabibigyan na ng notice na hindi siya pasok sa specs, pero ang i-deliver daw is yung nasa PR or nasa NOAA. So, mga previous po, pinibigyan po namin siya. Ngayon kasi, gusto namin kung ano po talaga yung nasa PR, which is yun po, yung nasa list of items, yun po talaga sana yung mag-present po sa amin. And bangga po sana siya sa CPR. And sana po, hindi din expired. Kasi sa totoo lang, may mga expired po na nagsasubmit sa amin ng item. So, syempre, paano po namin malalaman yung i-deliver niya kasi ibabangga din po namin yan yung mga lot number, DR number, yun sinecheck po kasi din namin yun. So as much as possible, yung isasama niyo pong samples, hindi po expired and kung ano po talaga. Like sa mga syrup, kung 60 ml siya, 60 ml, kung 120, 120 po. Thank you po. And, sige po sir. Sige sir. Apo.
Ever pwede mawin pa po yung mga existing.
Yung mga existing, sige po, pwede naman. Pero yung mga, kaso sir, check ko kasi yung batch number niya po. Sinire-record po din namin yung lot and batch number po. Existing niya po. Well, check po sir kung ano po. Basta hindi po expired. Sorry, naano na po namin. And dun po, kanina may nagtanong po about guarantee letter, no? Sa government hospitals po, ang tinatanggap po talaga ay 18 months above. Kaya lang, may mga instances po na nagre-request po si supplier, si winning bidder na hindi po sila pasok dahil ito po yung stock. Pinapayagan po namin yon as end user po ako. Basta po, merong guarantee letter. Ngayon kasi sir, ano na po, upon PO o sa delivery. Yan po. Magiging strict na din po kami sa na lang po, i-reiterate na lang po namin ulit yung GLO. Opo. Sa pharmacy naman, hindi naman ako naka-experience ng yung lahat naman ng supplier, okay naman magbigay sa amin ng guarantee letter and yung mga pull-outs. Gusto lang din po namin i-reiterate po sa inyo about guarantee letters. Lang po. And yung mga post-quad docs po, and yung sa bid docs po, ngayon kasi may mga nakikita kami field jobs na expired. Yun, hindi din po namin tatanggapin yung expired kahit merong renewal. Tax clearance, meron din kaming nakitang mga expired. So, hindi na po. Kahit may attach pong proof of renewal. Kasi, dapat po, naka-incorporate na yun sa field jobs, tama po. So, yun po. Yung mga bago namin na-encounter na gusto po sana namin maiwasan. Yan po.
And also, yes ma'am, I do have question po. Doon pala sa ating ni Sir Joe Marks kanina, no, yung notice sa supplier natin, no? Yung cash basis lang po tayo, no? Kasi marami kami na-encounter, especially sa drugs and meds, online sila nagbabayad. Although alam nyo na kasi siguro, especially sa mga old or sa mga regular na suppliers sa sumasali dito, alam nyo na yung bank account ng hospital. So, din discourage namin ang online payment. It should be cash to cash basis po. So, dito po sa procurement, kukuha ng charge slip. Tapos sa finance office, doon kukuha ng order of payment para magbayad sa cashier. Okay po? So, ayan. And then, wala po, sarado po ng Saturday, Sunday, and holidays. Meron po ba tayong holidays this coming week or next week? Opo, sa 8. So, meaning, sarado po kami. Pero kapag ka nagkaroon po ng halimbawa ng work suspension, so expect nyo po na may tatao po dito. So, pwede kayo bumili. No? And remind na rin po namin kanina, although nasabi na rin, na December 11, yung last day para sa inyong pagsasubmit ng mga letters. So, kung mas maaga, mas maganda po, no? Tama ba, sir? December 11. Okay. So, 8 yung deadline nila ng mga MRs nila. Okay. So, hanggang December 8 po, no? Pero kung kaya nyo na mag-send ngayon, tomorrow, much better po. Para hindi na kayo, yes, holiday din kasi yung 8. For sure, hindi namin makikita yan. Kaya, mag-submit na po kayo as soon as possible. Para makita na rin po ng ating end user. Okay po? So, any reminder pa po? Sige, so if none, I will give the mic to Sir Jomax to participant from the Zoom. May tanong po ba?
Participants from the Zoom po, may mga questions pa po kayo? Okay, if wala na po, I just want to remind everyone na everything should be in writing. So yung mga questions po natin, as much as possible, we put it on the writing po, send sa email namin para makarespond po kami properly. And it should be before the deadline of submission of bid bulletin po. If there's nothing else po, thank you so much for attending our pre-bid conference po.
Nakapag-attendance na po lahat dito. Sino po hindi nakapag-attendance? Attendance po tayo.
Okay. Sabihin mo naman, para hindi
Pero sabi nyo ba, kasi wala yung nabanggit ko kanina yung sasabi ko na ang bago.